Katya. It looks like I'm not wearing anything right now. But boom, bitch! Believe, manifest, and you will achieve it. This is how my voice sounds, and yeah, Goa was amazing, bitch. I just want to go back. I just want to book my flight again and go there. Today we are answering some of the very awkward questions, and this is the part 2 of that, and it's gonna be fun. Welcome back to my channel, and this is so fun, yaar. Fun kahin. आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा ला ला इनकार तेरा. What makes a girl sexually attractive? Confidence does it for you. There will be a lot of people saying shit about you. There will be a lot of people saying that you're not good enough. There will be a lot of people trying to put you down. There will be a lot of people saying that you're ugly and stuff. Just tell him, fuck you, bitch. If you're not paying my bills, if you're not paying my telephone bills, if you're not paying my automobiles, I don't think you do. So, keep your opinion to you, bitch. Confidence is the key and it is really important. किसी का मत सुनो, अपने मन का करो, जो तुम्हारे दिल में आता है वही सही है, क्योंकि गलत और भगवान ने ऊपर से लिखा ही नहीं कि गलत क्या है सही क्या है. उसने सबको भेज दिया इंसानों को. तुम देखो धरती पे कितने गधेड़े भी हैं, तो अपने में अंदर विश्वास रखो. Know your fucking worth, know that you are good enough, know that you can achieve it all, and you will do it. So confidence is the key. Give me love, I will give love to him. If he is not there to give me love and he is there to give me stress, I don't want to take it because I have enough. Please bhaiya, chalo. Would you take the guy if he cheated? To be honest, this is just disrespectful for me because I have dated a guy for 6 years and I have been cheated for like more than 15 times, and I took him because I thought I was in love, but I wasn't in love. बच्ची थी मैं, मतलब पागल सी थी. So I can't take the guy again because once the cheater, always the cheater, and I don't want to date a cheater. कुछ भी. Why do guys ghost? There can be like 2 reasons for it. पहला ये हो सकता है कि he's fucking not interested, and that is the obvious reason, I think. And the second, it can be sometimes the guy wants to show that he's not interested, so you can be interested in him, so you like text him all the time and like show your affection towards him. But I think if the guy is not interested in you and if he is ghosting you, just tell him to fuck off and leave. तो ज्ञान लड़कियां कितना देती है ना, सोशल मीडिया कितना ज्ञान देती है, बताओ. खुद की लाइफ में बड़े लगे पड़े हो, पर YouTube, Instagram पे आके ज्ञान जरूर देना है. Are pads really uncomfortable? Yes, they are fucking uncomfortable. That's why I've started using this menstrual cup from Kamsi. Softest cup ever, and you won't even feel that you're on your periods. And these are extremely affordable. It's like $5.50 per cup, and these last for like 10 years. Reason why I prefer this cup is because I can just easily wear it and go swimming and dancing for up to 8 hours, and you don't have to change. The pee hole is different, so there's no hassle of removing the cup every time you pee or poop. I use the small size one according to my flow, but there are different sizes available on the website. This process is so easy, and I'm so glad that I've started trying this and I've started using this. Currently, Kamasi has their August sale going on their website where you will be getting 20% off. And the bonus for you guys is that if you use my coupon code Shreya08, you will get an extra 10% off. Not only on the cups, but on all products. These are available on Amazon as well. All the links are mentioned in the description below. Just check them out. How did you lose weight? So, proper diet doesn't matter. मैं मॉडरेशन में खाती थी. आई वॉज इन कैलोरी डेफिसिट. मैंने उसमें आइसक्रीमें खाई हैं, चॉकलेट्स खाए हैं, जंक फूड खाया है. बट आई यूज्ड टू वर्क आउट डेली, लाइक नॉट डेली, लाइक 4 or 5 times a week, and I used to eat in moderation. Like, I was in calorie deficit. What do you think about Bollywood industry? Look, I know people have heard a lot of rumors about Bollywood industry. Some of them are really true, because I met this director, ठीक है, and this was this casting director. I went to his office and he was like कि अगर मैडम आपको लीड करना है तो आपको डायरेक्टर के साथ सोना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको पैरेलल लीड करना है तो उसमें आपको सोना नहीं पड़ेगा. तो मैंने उसको कहा कि मुझे पैरेलल लीड दे दो, कि मुझे सोना तो नहीं है किसी के साथ ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि आई नो आई एम टैलेंटेड, सो वाई वुड आई लाइक जस्ट स्लीप अराउंड विद मेन टू गेट वर्क. सेम कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ही सेड कि आपको अगर एकता कपूर के साथ 1 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट चाहिए तो आपको मतलब आपको पता है क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, स्टफ लाइक दैट. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर इफ ही वाज फ्रॉम बालाजी or he was from somewhere else. I'm not really sure about that, but yes, these things do happen. There are people who will say stuff to you, but you know what you gotta do, just fucking leave. Boom, just leave from there. मैं अपने टैलेंट पे जितना मुझे मेरे किस्मत में लिखा होगा मैं उतना ही करूँगी, अदरवाइज आई जस्ट से fuck off, I don't want to do it, that is it. I'm not really desperate for work right now, I am not hungry for it. क्योंकि यार एक चीज़ मैंने लॉकडाउन में सीखी है, बिकॉज दीज थिंग डोंट इवन मैटर, बिकॉज फेम वगैरह ये सब कुछ नहीं होता. आपकी जान ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, आपके घर वाले इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, आपके लिए खुशी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. पैसा, तब कितना पैसा था लोगों के पास, फिर भी उनको बेड्स नहीं मिल रहे थे, ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिल रही थी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी यार. स्टिल योर हेल्थ इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, योर फैमिली इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. तुम्हारी खुशी तुम्हारे चाहने वालों से है. इफ़ यू थिंक कि मुझे पैसा मिल जाएगा तो मैं ये करूँगा वो करूँगा, दैट इज़ फकिंग बुलशिट. पैसा आपको तब तक खुशी देगा जब आपके साथ कोई है ये पैसा उड़ाने के लिए. क्या बात कह दी यार.
तो लायक है क्या?
पैसा तो आना है ना कभी तो आना है. अभी नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, आएगा. कब आएगा? जब आना होगा. How awkward was the first kiss? Kiss was really awkward because I was dating this guy for like 4 to 5 months, and this guy was so fucking innocent and shy. He didn't even approach me for a kiss. Like I had to make the first move, and yeah, it was really nice. It was like butterflies and stuff. होता है यार, पहले हर बंदे के साथ नई जो पहली किस होती है ना, वो बड़ी
यार ये कितनी औसम है.
Have you ever struggled with body image? I have struggled with confidence. I was very insecure because my friends used to call me ugly. Girls are like really beautiful, okay? And I wasn't. I thought I'm really ugly because I had acne on my face. Still, I don't like that phase of my life because I thought I wasn't confident enough. I thought I was this ugly piece of shit. And जब आपको कोई बोलता है ना कि आप ugly हो, and you don't have the fucking confidence to believe yourself, that just crushes you. That breaks your heart. ठीक है? तो अब अगर मुझे कोई बोलेगा ना तू ugly है, तो मैं पहले तू ugly है, ठीक है? Same to you, back to you, return to you. Same to you, back to you, return to you. Same to you, back to you, return to you. And when you're on social media, you keep on comparing yourself to these beautiful chicks on social media who look perfect with these great bodies and stuff. You start comparing yourself. You put pressure on yourself. You start blaming yourself for looking like this way. But yeah, you don't have to do it because nobody is perfect. I have acne scars and I'm not ashamed of it anymore because look yeah, these all things are temporary. बुढ़ापे के बाद ना सब ऐसे दिखने वाले हैं पागलों जैसे. मैं नहीं कह रही बूढ़े पागल दिखते हैं, बुढ़ापे के बाद सब सेम दिखने वाले हैं, ठीक है, बूढ़े से. So nobody gives a shit. What is here matters the most, ठीक है. And if people are stupid enough to not understand this, you don't have to be with these people. Have you ever had a crush on roadies or Priscilla boys? I've never had this crush on anybody because I don't feel like dating anybody because I know everybody. I've been friends with them, so like not everybody, but yeah, some of them I've been friends with, so I don't want to date these people. But yeah, they all are nice. This is such a diplomatic answer. So crush, I've never had crush on anybody. I don't know why. I've never had crush on anybody. If I want to date somebody, if I like somebody, I'm gonna be upfront and I'm gonna tell that person that I like you, I have feelings for you, and we will fucking date. So, and the guy never says no.
चल झूठी.
What does it mean when the guy leaves you on red for a long time? I think it means that he's not interested. If he's not showing it, he's not interested in you. That is it. Move ahead. Move on to another guy or somebody who is interested in you. सब बताना पड़ेगा तुमको. समझती नहीं हो, इतनी अक्ल नहीं तुम में, गधेड़ो. How do you tell if your friends are real ones? They will be there for you. That is the only thing. If they are real, if you need them, they will be there for you whenever you need them. That is it. Khatam. Tata. Bye bye. Baki doston ko. Because if your friends are not there for you, then they are selfish. They just want to hang out with you. That is it. And if they are the real ones, they will be there for you in your hard times, not just in the good times, but in your hard times. That matters the most. जब रोगे ना तो ये नहीं लगेगा कि चलो पैसे से पानी पूरी खा के आता हूँ या जब पैसे के गुची का बैग लेके आता हूँ. जब रोगे ना ऐसा लगेगा कोई इंसान हो जो मुझे चुप कराए, जो मुझे इसे भाग की पहने और बोले कि everything's gonna be alright and everything's gonna be just fine. Just stay there. Just give it some time. I am there with you. So yeah, you need friends. You need real ones. And if they are toxic and if they are not with you, tell them to fuck off. My boyfriend doesn't like it when I have guy friends. If you ask me for relationship advice, I will just say, just dump him. This is a red flag for me because I have a lot of guy friends. I have a lot. And if the guy I'm dating, he doesn't trust me, so I can't be with him. Confront him, try to communicate with him, try to make him trust you, or otherwise just back off. Get the fuck out of that relationship. Why boys do not understand hints? I wouldn't say all boys are dumb or all guys are dumb, but they really are. उनको नहीं समझ आता hints. उनको नहीं समझ आता if you are interested. And sometimes the guy is like कि यार मैं ऐसे आगे से कर मतलब आगे बढ़ के कुछ करूँगा तो वो मेरे बारे में गलत तो समझेगी नहीं, हमारी दोस्ती तो खराब नहीं होगी. So if you like that person, just be upfront and tell him that you like him, because these guys, I'll tell you. कितने लल्लू what to do. Okay, does the first time hurt? Yes, it does. If the guy knows everything, how to do it and stuff, then I think you'll be fine. But still, it hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Next question is, do you finish every time you have sex? Sex. 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 Not every time, but because I'm just a lazy person. Like, कर लो मन है तो ठीक है निपटाओ भी. What the fuck I'm saying? Why the fuck I'm saying this on a YouTube channel? You shave or wax down there, shave down there, and it's fucking painful. मतलब टट्टियाँ निकल जाएंगी तुम्हारी. टट्टियाँ. नहीं, गलती मत दोहराना वापस, क्योंकि मैंने कर चुकी हूँ, मैं बीत चुकी हूँ वहाँ, मैं उस रास्ते से गुजर चुकी हूँ जहाँ तुम नहीं हो. Are people in the influencer world rude? People are just rude. Not just in this influencer thingy world, they are also rude outside this world, let me tell you. Because so this incident happened with me. I don't know if I should tell you guys, or this person's gonna watch it. There was this girl, okay, kind of famous, okay. I have no grudges against her. We have never spoken to each other. We have only heard it through our mutual friends. That is it. But when I met her, this person was so fucking rude to me. And I have no clue about it. Like, I was fucking clueless. Like, I was really bothered for quite some time. But then I was like, she's not paying my bills. She's not like being there for me. She's not my friend. Why should I even give a fuck about her? ज़रूरी नहीं है सबसे तुम्हारी बन जाए, सब तुम्हें पसंद करें लाइफ में. You can't please anybody. You can't please everyone. ठीक है? And if people don't like you, that is not your issue. Just leave that place, leave that zone, leave that toxic environment and be with people who actually like you. Please love me. Please follow me. Please subscribe me. Okay.